Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to start how to create a fresh brand new React project in your local system. In the last session we discussed about how to install the softwares like Node.js and npm tools. We have npm and npx, Node package runner and Node package manager. We discussed in the last session. If you are not yet gone through the videos, please go through my previous videos, then you can go to here and you can create the fresh project here. Okay, so let me write some points how to create a project. Now in order to start your new React project, you need some couple of tools. One for the Node.js, these are the softwares are required to install. Okay, and then we have a call as a Visual Studio, and then we are installed using the npm tool. We created some React application tool, and as well as yarn tool also we done in the last session here. Okay, these are the softwares we discussed in the uh, last session, guys. Now let me explain you this one. Once the React installation is successful, once the React installation is successful, then what we can do, we can create a new React project using the below command. Using the below command, what is the command? Npx means no, package runner tool, and we need to provide one tool we install with the help of the npm react hyphen create hyphen react hyphen app, and here your application, like we can say as a hello world. You can think like a hello world, or first React application, like a first React hyphen app. Now this is my project name, and this is where project name is the name of the project. Okay, now let me install this command in your command prompt, or if you have Visual Studio already we installed, right? So let me open the Visual Studio here. Now click here Visual Studio. Now it will be open in this dashboard. Here already we created a project, a folder you should be create inside your workspace. If you are not yet created, just you can create open folder. Click open folder, and here I created one folder called Java Express underscore the React.js. Just I imported here. Once it is imported here, okay, you need to create the project, right? Click on the here terminal, okay, and choose new terminal. By default, this terminal will open in the PowerShell. Are able to see the PowerShell? But I am interested to create our React commands, everything in the command prompt. Here, if you make it as a drop down, you can able to see the command prompt. Click here, and then here, if you want PowerShell you can use. If you want a command prompt, you can use the command prompt here. Now, let me execute this particular command. Where is that? This is the command. Just copy here. You are under which workspace? Java Express underscore React JS. Just copy paste, just make it enter. It will take, okay, it will take some time to execute our application. This particular command, see here, creating a new React app. So see, it is already saying this might take couple of minutes to start your application here. Now let me write some point here. This above command will take some time to install the React application. Okay, once application is started, we need to start the server, and we can access application in the browser here. Okay, once the step is completed, you need to navigate. See here where first React app is the name of the application. Now let me write it here. Where we can write it here, what we can take is the name of the React application. Now cd change directory to in this folder. And third step, what we can do, we need to start the server, so that, okay, what we can do, so that we can access the application on the browser. We can access the application on the browser. How we can start the server? We have a npm. We have a npm, right? What is this one? Npm is a package manager which starts the server and access the application. Okay, at default server is http localhost. The port number is 3000 guys. So here the point is default port number of react application is 3000. Hope you are clear how what are the commands to use. Just you need to apply this command. Once it is successful, we will be changed to directory, and then we will run this application. We can able to see the hello world program using the react application. Just let go through that. See here, still it is taking some time to start our application. See, installing the react dom and react scripts with CRA template. It is taking to time. Maybe it may take another 5 minutes. Oh, it's almost going to complete, I think. See here, guys. See here what happening. 1395 packages are added, okay, as part of this application. And see, and initializing a git repository. Okay, these are the steps when you are creating the application. Let it complete here, guys. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe our channel, guys. Just you can type it as a Java Express in the search bar. You will get it here, guys. All the videos we are uploading in this playlist, guys. Okay, whatever we are doing the React application, we have created one a tutorial called react.js tutorial. Here we are uploading our videos. Okay, if you want to learn about other things, okay, the AWS, Jenkins, whatever you want, all the videos are available. See here, Docker videos are available. And if you are interested for the DevOps, okay, see Jenkins DevOps, AWS videos, Linux videos, oops concepts, all videos are available. Just see here, guys. That means what happened here? React project is created successfully. Now it is clearly giving two steps. First, you need to change the directory, and you can use a npm start. Now let me change cd first app. Once it is done, what you can do? Npm start. Now your first React application is going to start now. Here alternatively you can use okay, yarn tool also, guys. Not only npm. Here what is the command we are using? Npm start or yarn start also. You can, yarn tool is provided by the Facebook. Even you can able to start your application using the yarn tool also here. Okay, now it is going to start now. React scripts. Now, see, this is our okay. In the next session, we will discuss about the directory structure, guys. What are the modules for what purpose these files? We will be discussing in the next session. Right now, the main target is see starting the deployment server. If you are able to see starting the deployment server, automatically your browser is open here. See here, localhost 3000. Now it is loading your application. Just wait for another 10 seconds. You can able to see your application here. Now still it is starting the development server. Let it be. Click on debug console. Not able to see anything. Just click on the terminal. Okay, for the first time it is taking some time to start your application. Later on time, if you modify something, it will affect immediately in this application here. Okay, it is still loading. Yes, now see here, sir. React app is this is called icon. See localhost 3000 port number, and see this is our React icon here. Okay, if you want to change something, it is clearly saying that edit src/app.js. React is a component based. Okay, everything will be create the components. Now see here, I will try to change something here. Now I will go to src/app.js. Now what I can do, go to src, there is a app.js. Now let me minimize this option. Now here instead of the code here, I can take we can take as a here, let's just see, instead of here, welcome to Java Express channel. Just some message. Just I save this application. That's it. Immediately your application is reloaded. Now go to your browser. See here. Even you no need to restart the application every time. It will be do happening in the internally. Okay. Hope you are clear how to create a new React application. In the next session, I will discuss about the each and every file directory structure. I will explain in the next session. Thank you guys.